How to talk to customers and sell professionally. Novalooms Associate Training Level 2. So here we'll be learning how to communicate to your customers, how to introduce yourself professionally, what questions to ask every customer, how to present the catalogs effectively, how to explain quality confidently, and then how to quote the prices correctly, how to close your orders, and the common mistakes that you can avoid. So first, introduce yourself. Always introduce yourself in this script so that you can create an instant trust. Hello, I am an authorized Novalooms Associate. We provide international quality private labeling and custom apparel manufacturing with premium finishing. So this instantly creates a trust into your customers. Next, ask these mandatory questions before pricing. First, you should ask your customers about the product category they want from you, the fabric preference that they want, GSM like the weight and the thickness of the cloth, quantity, color choices, size breakdowns, and branding or printing if any needed, and the delivery city from where they are and the deadline. When do they need it? These are some mandatory 8 questions that you should definitely ask to your customers. Next, smart way to share the catalog. Never share the full catalog initially. Always share the first 4 to 6 best options, then highlight the fabric plus the GSM, suggest the best options for their requirement, and send 2 to 3 photos or videos for them to build the trust between you both. Next, quality explanation script. Technical assurance like it's lab tested fabrics, GSM consistencies are guaranteed, 7-stage quality control system, branding accuracy, and export grade packaging. So by explaining this, you will again build the trust with your customers. Next, what makes Novalooms premium? International grade finishing, perfect stitching, smooth private labels, high quality brand, and consistent production standards. So here's a quote on pricing professionally. Never guess the price. Always base the quotes on concrete data. Always collect full details first from your customers so that you can prevent errors. Share 3 options first: budget, standard, premium. In this way, you can make choices flexibly. Clarify branding charges separately. In this, you can have a transparency and build trust. Explain how retail prices are decided by you. Empower the customer with your knowledge. And the closing script should be: once you finalize quantity and decide, I will share you the Google form. Production begins after confirmation and advance. In this way, you will guide your customers smoothly. Next, understand your customer's mindset. Customer needs confidence. Always confidently answer them. They need clear communication. They love transparency and they trust professionalism and they follow the structured ordering. Next is mistakes that reduce your sales that can come from you. So first is information overloaded. Like I said before, never always share the whole catalog. Just send the 4 to 5 or 6 best options. So sending the full catalog can maybe be unrealistic. They might not believe you. There might come some trust issues. Next, process errors. So, giving wrong prices, no advanced collection, or ignoring the Google form may lead to into many of the errors like processing and stuff. Miscommunication, unclear details on sizes, branding, and delivery cities. Miscommunication is something that brings a big barrier to any businesses. So, if communication is not proper, these kind of errors can definitely occur. Sample customer conversation. So, first step and second should be greeting and introduction. Third step, the 8 questions that I told you before, ask them. Fourth and fifth should be sharing the options and the quality that the customer needs. Sixth step, quote the price. 7 and 8, order form, send the Google form and collect the advance payment. Next, the professionalism checklist. Respond on time, clear messages, never argue, and proactive updates to your customers. So that's it for this section, and our next section would be on how to place an order through the Google form. Step by step guide. Thank you.